Okay, hello again, dear students. This is the second problem from that test in October, and this is a circle theorem problem. And I will explain to you how you can do the solution for this one. As you can see, this is a circle theorem. It has a certain geometry inside of it. As you can see, there's a triangle and there's some straight line that is part of that triangle, and it's making an angle of 142 with the triangle. And at first, you're gonna read the question carefully. Say that A, B, C, they are points on the circumference. So A, different color, A, B, C, they are on the circumference, and this is part of the circle theorem. Sometimes you need to pay attention to this because there is one of the, I think there's 2 or 3 of them, they are related to this kind of fact that the points there, when they are on circumference, they are giving you a certain geometric output. It said also that O is representing the center of the circle, and OAD is a straight line, and the angle DAB is 142. So OAD, it means he's talking about this straight line. OED is a straight line, okay? And it says that this straight line making an angle of 142 with this side. This is an angle of 142. So since this is part of a straight line angle, it means that I can figure out this angle here, right? Because this is what is left of the 180 angle. So I will say that the angle OAB is going to be equal to 180 minus 140 degrees, which is going to be equal to 30, it's going to be equal to 38 degrees. Okay, and this angle here, as you can see, it's part of, I need to erase a few things here to make sure that you understand what I'm talking about. This is representing a radius. We need to use a different color. This is a radius. It comes from the center and meets the point. It means this is a radius, and this is also a radius. Okay, it means that these two sides, they are equal to each other, which means that the triangle OAB is representing an isosceles triangle. Okay, so since I figured out that this is equal to 38 degrees, sorry, I need to make it clear to you. Since this is equal to 38 degrees, it means that this one is also equal to 38 degrees. And remember to write your geometric reasoning here. You say that angles or straight line sum up to 180 degrees. This is for the first one. For the second one, since I know that this is 38, I would say that the angle OBA is equal also to 38 degrees. Why is that? Because we proved that this is an isosceles triangle. Base angles. We'll say base angles. Base angles of isosceles triangle always equal. So I know that this is equal to 38, and I know that this is equal to 38. It means that finding the third angle of this triangle is not going to be that hard, right? It means that I can say that the 180 in this triangle, 180 minus 38 plus 38 can give me that angle here, okay? And I would call it angle AOB. So angle OAB is going to be equal to 180 minus 60, 70, 76, minus 76 degrees. Okay. Means that this is going to be equal to 104 degrees. This is which angle? This is the angle, this one. This one is going to be equal to 104. degrees. And from our study to the circle theorem concept, you remember when we said that when you have a circle like this, and this circle has these two chords, and these two chords, they represent part of this shape. If I say that this angle at the circumference equal to x, this one is always the double of that, 2x. So from this shape here, you can compare and you will discover that this is talking about the same idea. Since I know that this is equal to 104, it means that this angle is going to be the half of this one, is going to be the half of 104, because this is the angle at the center, which is going to be equal to 52 degrees. So this angle here is equal to 52 degrees. So I'm going to write the solution. Since I know that this angle is equal, now I'm going to say that the angle ACB, angle ACB is going to be equal to 104 divided by 2 is going to be equal to 52 degrees. Why is that? Because we know that from our study to the circle theorem that angle at center is twice angle at the circumference. Okay, so that's it. This is the solution. He wanted this angle, and we figured out how to do it. See you in another video, inshallah.